Hi, welcome, bienvenidos. It's your girl Yessie, and I'm back with another video. For today's video, I'm going to be doing another look using the Natasha Denona My Dream palette. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Alrighty, amigas, besties. Like I mentioned in my introduction, I am going to be doing another look with the Natasha Denona My Dream palette, which if you haven't seen this already, which I highly doubt, this is what the palette looks like right here. And yeah, I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing, but let's see. So in my previous video, I used this color Instinct because I love the shift it had. But today I want to use Invention, which is this beautiful gold right here. So this is what I want to use. And yeah, not sure what direction I'm gonna take though, but we'll see. Alrighty, so far my face is moisturized and my brows are done with nothing usual. I used the Brow Wiz from Anastasia in the shade Ebony, and then I used the Anastasia brow powder, the dual powder, in the shade Ebony as well. And then I carved out my brows, and then I primed my eyelids with the MAC Paint Pot in soft ochre, and then I lightly set that with my translucent powder. So that's all I have going on right now. And yeah, why don't I just get started? So I'm going to, let's see, I'm gonna use Carpe Diem. So I didn't use it. I'm gonna use this one right here, and I'm gonna apply this all over my crease right here. So I'm gonna grab a little bit of the shade and apply it to my crease. Such a beautiful color. Oh goodness. Alright, so I've really been into halo eyes, so I think that's what I'm going to be doing with this look today. I just recently started, doing a halo eye, and I've been liking it, how it looks, and so I want to keep working on my halo eyes because I'm pretty sure they can be a little bit more better if that makes sense. That's what that shade looks like. Very beautiful. Alright, now I'm going to grab a Sedona Lace EB09 brush. It's just a tapered shader brush, and I'm going to go into the color. I want to do Instinct. This color right here. No, sorry, Instinct. This color right here, because I think it's going to have a nice contrast to this shimmer that I'm going to use. So I'm going to start off with Instinct, or should I use Aspiration? You know what? Let's go with Aspiration. So this color right here. I know we used this shade and Edgy in the previous look, so let's use another shade. So I'm going to try Instinct. No, Aspiration. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to go in with Aspiration, and I am going to apply this shade to the outer and inner corners. So right here, and I just want to keep this color on the lid. I don't want to bring it up too much. So first I'm going to pat the color, and then I'm going to blend it up slightly. Alright, now I'm going to grab a smaller brush. Actually, no, I'm going to go in with that same brush and tap it in here. This is like a really dark purple. like dark. I feel like I'm giving myself dark circles, but on my eyes, it's just stick with me, okay? It's gonna look better. Alright, so now I'm gonna grab the blending brush that we used on our crease with no additional product, and I'm just gonna run it through my crease, especially where I applied that inspiration color. Make sure those edges are blended. Alright, so now the fun part. I'm gonna grab a glitter glue, which I'll be using my Too Faced glitter glue. This is no surprise, I use it just about in every video. And let me get my brush. Okay, so I'm gonna grab the tiniest bit because you don't need a lot of it, and I'm gonna apply it to this empty part on the eyelid, all the way up, and even a little bit into this purple. Now I am going to go into the color Invention, which is this gold color right here. I'm gonna try the brush, but if it doesn't work as I want it to, then I'll just go in with my finger, which that's not a problem for me because I always do that. Let's see. It's not picking up much, but I'm just gonna go in with my finger and I'm gonna apply it to the center. Ooh, that's such a pretty shade. Alright, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my Sedona Lace EB09 brush, and I'm just going to go over here with no additional product, and I'm just going to try and blend the edges into the gold color. Okay, so this is what the eyes look like. I'm going to jump off camera. I'm going to finish my complexion, the eyes, and then I'll hop back in to show you what the final result looks like. So stay tuned. And I'm back. So this is the final look. What do you guys think? I loved how it came out. It's so pretty for fall. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. And I mean, what else can I say? But I truly love this palette. So beautiful. I really do. You know, I did say in the video I reviewed this palette that I was going to try and do something natural, but oh my goodness, I'm just so in love with like all these like purpley tones, and of course this gold. I did have to pack it on in order for it to be a little bit more intense, but nonetheless it's beautiful. I made quite a mess in there because I had to dig in there, but nonetheless beautiful. The eye look came out beautiful as well. Yeah, I really enjoy this palette so much, and if you're in the market to get an eyeshadow palette, I would definitely recommend this. And of course I paired it with the Natasha Denona blush and highlighter palette. I used this blush and I used both highlighters as well. Of course, you know, I thought it was appropriate if I used her dream palette. But yeah, this is the look that I was able to create with this palette. I really enjoyed doing this video. I really hope you enjoyed the look. So yeah, that's all for me today. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are, and as always, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.